Okay. Speech.
So surprised.
It's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. Where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easy.
So basically the plan is my mom and dad went to get a new bed. So their room is like this. So this bed is gonna go to my bedroom, and the double decker is not gonna be there anymore. And then I think most of the stuff is gonna be switched to another side. So this is how it looks right now, but we are gonna redecorate the entire thing. This is how it looks right now. The double decker is not gonna be there anymore. We're gonna remove that. All these clothes are gonna go to the washroom right now, and yeah, that's how the wall looks. And then the dust, all this clothes somewhere else, so that we have space. So we also have like lots of boxes to put the clothes in, because most of them we don't need anymore.
It's time for a little party. It's time for
Half of it?
Yep.
Yeah? Where did you put them? You have to stop. You know you're talking.
Yeah.
Where?
Here.
So we didn't have space, so we kept them in the kitchen. And we are almost done. Half of it. Is it tiring? Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me.
So we cleared out the clothes that were here, and now we are going to clear out the clothes that are in the wardrobe, the ones that we actually need, and the shoes as well, so that we have space for the new bed that's coming on here. Hopefully, I'm not sure exactly where we're going to put it, but we need to clear out this clothes so that we can put new space. He's really tired. He's in the sitting room watching. You left me.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah? You left me by myself and I have to remove it.
I'm playing Among Us.
What's Among Us?
Among Us is when you're a crewmate, then how to get tasks done. When you're an imposter, then how to kill people.
No, you're not supposed to kill people.
No, in Among Us.
In the game?
Yeah.
No, okay.
We're bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have me act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me.
I never had nobody and no real home. I wanna be somebody. I wanna be somebody. Scattered stuff. I never can't say every side too far. I really need somebody to come back. I wanna be somebody, someone. And if you feel like that is falling, I wanna be the one you're calling. Cause I believe that we can lead the way. I just wanna be somebody to someone. Oh, I wanna be somebody to someone. No, I never had nobody and no road home. I wanna be somebody to someone. And if the sun says it goes cold, it's had to fall. I really need somebody to call my own. Be somebody to someone. Someone to you. Cleaning. We finished removing all the clothes from from the wardrobes. Like all of them is complete, and then now we have to remove the bed sheet because the new bed is gonna come in here, like here, this side, like I said. So we have to remove everything from the bed. Also, I found I found my I was looking for this clip. It's like all the way over there. I don't think you can see it, but it's all the way under the bed, and I was looking for it, and I finally found it. Anyway, so we're gonna remove everything from the bed, and then I'm gonna come here and then remove the books because I don't need them anymore. So we're gonna remove that as well, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, my shoes and the shoes as well. So we're gonna remove the shoe stuff and then put it in mom's bedroom because we have to transfer the bed here. So we have to remove the shoes. So we're almost done with the room makeover-ish.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as if
I'm currently finishing up an edit for the next video, and I remembered that I forgot to close this one off because when I was filming I was really excited because I never really had my own room per se, but we already finished it off. There are two parts. The first part is when we're cleaning everything off, and then the next part is when I bring my bed in and trying to decorate it a bit, which is what we did, and it looks really nice. So I can't wait to show you, but thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because there will be more videos.